Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with just a quick unboxing because I don't have enough things to do, right? But I was looking for something small because as the holidays are approaching, there's going to be some traveling, whether we're in the car, driving to various relatives' house, just time kind of sitting around. And I thought, that could be time while I'm visiting that I could actually also be getting in some diamond painting. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and open, this is my last PaintGem Mini set. And so I thought, well, that'll be nice maybe an end to the year if I can get this one finished. That finishes up all the paint gems that I've bought, and then I can move on to some other things. This one is the Ocean Edition, as you can see, and it has all kinds of little ocean animals, as you can see. I'm kind of curious to see how these are going to look. I've done, like I said, this is my fourth PaintGem Mini set. I've done their museum set, I've done their rainbow set, and I've done their doggies set, and I enjoyed all of them. All right, so let's see what we get in our toolkit here. So we get our tray, we get our diamond painting pen with 2 extra tips. We've got a 3-placer and a 9-placer. I'm not quite sure why they give you a 9-placer. I don't think I've ever been able to place that many drills at once on one of these. A little pair of tweezers. Again, I'm not sure why the tweezers, a scrunchie, because I don't remember there being any special drills. And then, of course, wax. So that's what's in their little toolkit and their little canvas bag. Then, of course, we've got our drills. As far as I know, all of their kits are square. So we've got like this rainbow of colors here. This actually looks pretty close, except for some of the darker colors to the colors of the rainbow one. Again, I gotta say, I think they do some of the nicest packaging that I've seen. In the bottom of the box here, and I've saved these boxes for moving because they're so nice and sturdy. And you open it up, and we get all of our little canvases. There's instructions on how to do it, tips and tricks, all of the things. We get our stickers. So we have 37 colors in this particular kit. And then we have all of our little canvases. So here we've got like an angelfish. Is that what they call it? An angelfish? A Red Sea bannerfish is what they're calling this. I call these angelfish, but what do I know? There are some of those koi. There's a crab. Ooh, some of these are upside down. They've got little numbers in the corner of them. So there's the little crab. There's a jellyfish. I'm trying to overlap them here so you can see all of them. Is this a trout? What is this? Oh, it's a tuna fish. Here, whoops, this one is upside down. There's a shark. There's a sea turtle, some starfish, some clownfish, a marlin, a whale. Oh, look at this adorable seahorse. Then this one is a bull shark, it says, an octopus. Ooh, he's kind of, I guess that's octopus colors. I wish he would have been like purple. I think that would have been cool. A lobster, and then of course our cute little puffer fish. So there are 16, is that right? Yes, 16 canvases. And I saw somebody, I think it was on Instagram, that went out and bought like a collage frame. So it was like a 3x3, so you could only put 9 in there, but that was how she was displaying like some Christmas ones of the PaintGem Minis that she had done. So lots of different ways to display these once you finish them. Not quite sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll have my husband make me like some vinyl cutout frames, and then I'll stick them and make that look like a frame, but stick them to like a backing board or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. Or maybe I'll just stick them in my little A3 book that I got. All right, so there's all the canvases. Let me open the drills and see what the drills look like. All right, so drills here. We do have some 310. That's not very much 310 for as many kits are as here. We've got some very dark gray, some gray, some light gray, and some very pale dove gray. We've got a dark blue, kind of a bright blue, a blue, and then a light blue. And then we get a purple, kind of a mulberry pink, ooh, a bright cotton candy pink, a dark red, a red, kind of a coral red, a dark peach, and a light peach. And then we get a very dark green, a green, kind of a true green, a grass green, a light green, kind of a lime green, yellowish green, a bright orange, kind of a orangish yellow, a bright yellow, a pale yellow, kind of a burnt orange, and then like a brick red, or less red, more brown. Then we've got just an orange. We've got a peach, a very pale peach, a very, very pale peach. We've got a blue, a light blue, like a very light sky blue. And our last two colors, we've got a very light, like mint green and white. So those are all of the colors. Let me get those back into the box and I'll be right back. I always think getting these back into the bag is 90% of my struggle with these. Okay, so those are all the drills, but like I said, I think these will be really cool for me to do like in the car when we're having to drive to relatives, and then also to just maybe take with me. So if, you know, we've got some downtime while we're just visiting before we eat or after we eat, before we do gifts or whatever, then I can set these up and just have something on my lap. I don't have to drag out a whole bunch of stuff, and yeah, lets me travel. I will stick a link down below to this particular kit. PaintGem has a ton of different things and they're always coming out with new ones. I've seen their doors one. I really kind of want that one. I don't know if I'm going to invest in the Christmas one yet, but we'll see. Maybe these are some, I'm trying to make a list of people that I want to buy from before we move, and I don't know if I want to stock up on these or not. We'll have to see. But for now, this will be the last of the paint gems that I have, and that will let me finish those up. So again, this is the ocean one. Check out the link below. Check out their store, see what else looks good to you. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.